Well, this is about as far as I'm gonna get today. Been hiking for about 2.5 hours and it's about 6, so it would make it about 8:30 by the time I get back. Good hike. Not quite as good as Annette Lake, but still pretty good. Maybe I'll go for a few more minutes before turning back. Just gonna go up that little hill that you see in the about maybe 30 yards, 90 feet, 100 feet. See what's above there, and then I'll head back. Lots of big trees. But only two, really, that are worth video cameras. It's up this hill. It's like just more trail for a while. Luckily, I haven't seen any bears. Birdie. Okay, just more trees. Time to head back.